Figma. Figma is the tool we use daily for social media image production. And in this video, I'm showing you how you can create LinkedIn sliders. It's a very easy to apply recipe. So I will show how you will build the slider in Figma, how you prepare the content in Figma to export to PDF, and how you can post it on LinkedIn. So you don't have to do everything from scratch. So if you Google for LinkedIn carousel template, you will find a lot of Figma files that you can start using, so you don't have to create everything from scratch. This is just one of the many available templates. Once you open it in Figma, it will look something like this. So you can customize the individual graphics, add your content, or in my case, I created something that is focused on our branding. So this is a very easy square image with images on it. And now I'm done with the content creation part in Figma, and I want to move on and export it to PDF. So this is now an important step. You don't do it right here. So you copy over the images that you want to have in the PDF and go to an empty page. So you can now see here all the images, and you frame each selection. Takes a second. Frame selection. And now it's also important to have the images in the exact order in which you want to have it in the slider. So if you would like to have this up here, you have to move it. But for us, this is now exactly how we want it. And in the next step, I just move to the File menu. And here is the Export Frames to PDF feature. Takes a second. I call this LinkedIn slider test and save it to downloads. And I'm going to take a look if it looks what I want it to look like. Let's move this over here. Yeah, looks like it is exactly as in Figma. Now I can move over to publishing it in LinkedIn. And this is a little bit hidden on pages and on personal profiles. So you click in the Start a Post screen. Next, you click on the More button, and here you have the Document feature, and then you can browse to your downloaded PDF. Okay, LinkedIn slider test. Once it's uploaded, you can see a preview inside LinkedIn. Takes a second to load. Yes, looks like. And now I could add my posting text and start posting it. So that's how easy it is to do it with Figma. And yeah, that's all there is to say about it. If you prefer a blog post version of this tutorial, there is one link down in the description.